Now we're going to look at the exam ISE III, the different parts and how it's structured. Let's have a look. The exam ISE III is divided into two parts and you take these two parts separately. One of the advantages of Trinity exams is that you can take the two parts, the two modules of the exam separately, and if you pass one of the parts of the exam but you fail the other part, you don't have to retake both parts of the exam. You can take only one part. So imagine that you fail at reading and writing and you pass the listening and speaking part. You will only have to repeat the reading and writing part. So this is a great advantage. And it's a great advantage because you can focus on the points that you're weaker at. Another thing to take into account is that in order to pass each module, the average grade that you get in the reading and writing, to pass, you need to pass both the reading part of the exam and the writing part of the exam. So in this case, if you don't pass the reading part of the exam, but you do pass the writing, you won't pass the module, okay? The same goes to the listening and speaking exam, in which you also have to pass both the speaking parts of the exam and the independent listening part of the exam. So it's very important to know this, because if you do a very good job in your conversation, but then you fail actually understanding the listening, you won't pass the module. So saying this is generally what the exam is like: 2 hours for the reading and writing, a paper, and 24 minutes of speaking with an examiner in the form of a presentation and a conversation. So next we'll move on to the different parts of the reading and writing exam.